What if I told you when you search this in YouTube, literally you can see many video on this topic, but most of this video just fooling you. When you click on this video, they are just redirecting you to this main Kimi's website. And here when you select K3 model and enter any prompt, and it show this pop-up. Too many people are chatting right now. And for this reason, here I am. And this is my third video on finding best free Kimi K3 websites. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. And in this video, I am going to create this full website using only free Kimi K3 model, including this basic AI chatbot. So basically, I am gonna show you two websites where you can use Kimi K3 model completely free by using your own free Gmail account. And I assure you this process is 100% working. So please subscribe the channel, give the video a like, and if you face any 1% of issue, you can comment now. And definitely I will reply your comment. So please help me to reach at least 100 subscribers. So first come to this website, Chat Hub. The website link is given in my Telegram channel. Here when you select models, you can see all of these models that you can use completely free. Okay, come back to the main page and then sign up with your Gmail account. Click on the Get Started button and then you can sign up with your Google or Gmail account. Here I choose Google account, but you can choose another option. So simply sign up. I forwarding this process. Okay, after successfully sign up, we don't need any of this plan, just ignore it. And now you can see the direct chat page. Also, you can compare this model for getting better and accurate result. Click on this model section. Here you can use all of these models. But right now I am choosing Kimi K3 model. After scrolling down, you can see the model and select it. And as you can see, you can choose another model by replacing this Claude Sonnet 4.6. So for showing you, I am gonna change this. Same way, just click on this model and find your desired model and then click it. Here I select the model Fable 5. Okay, I enter a prompt hi, and as you can see it's working, but Fable 5 is not for free account, so you can choose another model. Mainly Kimi K3 is perfectly working, and as you can see it start to generate response. So I am not saying it's completely and unlimited free, but we can use it completely free by some techniques. Here as you can see, in one single account you can enter 6 prompt any number of length, and definitely it will give you the 6 prompt answer no matter how much token it takes. So if you use a good and efficient prompt, you can build your large project in this Kimi K3 model. And after reach the limit, you can simply change your Google account or Gmail account. Also, you can share your previous chat from one chat to another chat to maintain continuity. Okay, if I type create a landing website and hit enter, as you can see, it start the processing, and no matter how much token it takes, it will definitely give you the answer. So you can add multi-prompt in one single prompt. So if you like this process, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Okay, after about 2 to 3 minutes, here you can see the response. It's created the full website. Simply we can check the code or directly open it. Okay, click on this open option and it will redirect you to the main website page. And remember it will open the website in localhost server. And as you can see, here is the full website which is created by a single prompt. And the most important thing is the UI is not looking like AI. It's look like a real handmade website. So now I am going to add backend for make it a full functional website. So I just enter a single line prompt and it start working. And from this share option, you can share your previous chat to another chat model or new Gmail account after reach the limit. So as you can see, it start to create backend. But you have to remember one thing, it will open the website in localhost and also you need to run npm server. Okay, after about 5 minutes, it created the full functional website with backend. And as you can see, we have to run this website in localhost server. Okay, after running the npm server, now you can see the full website with backend. And as you can see, it automatically add dark and night mode and it created a fully functional professional website with perfect UI. And now we can sign up with our Gmail account or Google account. And here I choose a fake name. So as you can see, it working perfectly. And in this all-in-one portion, you can change your chat format. And next, come to the second website. Link is given in my Telegram channel. You can join, or you can directly check the website name from this video. So simply just sign up with your Google or Gmail account. Then come to this homepage, and here you can see the all available model. And here select Kimi K3. Then enter any prompt. Like I am just saying hi, and as you can see it working perfectly. So let's try to create another website so that you can check out it's working or not. So here we are going to create a e-commerce website. So simply I just enter a single line prompt, create a e-commerce website, and as you can see it start creating the website. It can take few minutes, so wait for some time. and this is the full website code that it created in few minutes. So you can simply run the code and check out the website. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, I am going to show you some crazy website where you can use Claude or Fable 5 completely free. So make sure you subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment. Bye.
Fast lane, brains game, breaking the chain. KRISHNA on the feet with the fire in the vein. Tips on the time and the rhyming is climbing. Data is diamond, we constantly mining. Goose on the skin when the lesson begin. Win after win, let the digital spin. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. KRISHNA is